Torrential slide value equivalent to 338.08 rands a coin. The present cost range, 327.78, 338.82. The earlier day close, 327.13. The change was plus 10.95. Plus 3.35%. Converse rate, ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, February 27. Cost 323 rands, high 346, low 300. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, February 28. Cost 300 rands, high 321, low 279. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, Walk 1. Cost 292 rands, high 312, low 272. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, Walk 2. Cost 280 rands, high 300, low 260. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, Walk 3. Cost 287 rands, high 307, low 267. In multi-week torrential slide conjecture on Monday, Walk 6. Cost 302 rands, high 323, low 281. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, Walk 7. Cost 304 rands, high 325, low 283. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, Walk 8. Cost 307 rands, high 328, low 286. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 9. Cost 318 rands, high 340, low 296. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, Walk 10. Cost 302 rands, high 323, low 281. In about 14 days torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, Walk 13. Cost 337 rands, high 361, low 313. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, Walk 14. Cost 345 rands, high 369, low 321. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, Walk 15. Cost 345 rands, high 369, low 321. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, Walk 16. Cost 339 rands, high 363, low 315. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, Walk 17. Cost 346 rands, high 370, low 322. In 3 weeks torrential slide conjecture on Monday, Walk 20. Cost 355 rands, high 380, low 330. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, Walk 21. Cost 313 rands, high 335, low 291. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, Walk 22. Cost 300 rands, high 321, low 279. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 23. Cost 318 rands, high 340, low 296. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, Walk 24. Cost 307 rands, high 328, low 286. In about a month torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, Walk 27. Cost 298 rands, high 319, low 277. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, Walk 28. Cost 295 rands, high 316, low 274. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2023. To start with cost at 342 rands, exorbitant cost 403, while low cost 279. Found the middle value of cost 331, torrential slide cost gauge toward the months and 300 change for February 12.3%. Torrential slide gauge for Walk 2023. To start with cost at 300 rands, exorbitant cost 380, while low cost 255. Found the middle value of cost 302. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the months and 274. Change for spring 8.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2023. First and foremost cost at 274 rands, exorbitant cost 340, while low cost 274. Found the middle value of cost 302. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the months and 318. Change for April 16.1%. Torrential slide estimate for May 2023. Before all else cost at 318 rands, excessive cost 318, while low cost 248. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 288. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 267. Change from May 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 267 rands. Excessive cost 267. While low cost 208. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 242. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 224. Change for June 16.1%. Torrential slide figure for July 2023. Before all else cost at 224 rands. Excessive cost 272. While low cost 224. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 244. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 254. Change for July 13.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 254 rands. Exorbitant cost 259. While low cost 225. The found the middle value of cost 245. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 242. Change for August 4.7%. Torrential slide estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 242 rands. Exorbitant cost 242. While low cost 189. The found the middle value of cost 219. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 203. Change for September 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 203 rands. Exorbitant cost 251. While low cost 203. The found the middle value of cost 223. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 235. Change for October 15.8%. Torrential slide estimate for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 235 rands. Exorbitant cost 235. While low cost 183. The found the middle value of cost 213. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 197. Change for November 16.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 197 rands. Excessive cost 197. While low cost 153. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 178. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 165. Change for December 16.2%. Torrential slide conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 165 rands. Excessive cost 165. While low cost 129. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 150. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 139. Change for January 15.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 139 rands. Excessive cost 154. While low cost 100.